Hey buddies, Jaromsz here.
So for today's video, we are going to do a tutorial on how to download and register on Traze Contact Tracing app. First thing that you're going to do is open your Play Store or App Store. Then search here Traze Contact Tracing. Click Install. Then click Open and proceed. So you will be redirected on this page. Just click the Start Tracing. We will register a new account, so just click Register. After that, options will be given. Just click Individual. After that, you will be redirected on this page. Just fill out all the details. Once done, just click Submit and Continue. After that, a verification code will pop up. Just input it here and click Submit. Registration is already complete. Just click OK. So you need to activate your account. Just input your username and password and click Login. After you logged in, something will pop up like this. Just click the Activate Account. And then you need to input the verification code given. After that, click Submit. Activation complete. You just need to re-log in and start tracing. Once you click the Close button, you will be redirected on this page. You just need to input here your username and password and click Logged In. You will see here your Trace ID. You just need to click the Trace QR code. Something will pop up like this. Just click Continue. So this is now your QR code. Just click the preview button. You can just take a screenshot of it and show it at the establishments. Please take note that QR codes has expirations.
So that's it for today. See you next tutorial buddies.